In the quiet breath of morning, the kitchen awakens. Beige walls cradle the golden light, and the warmth of wood speaks softly of home. Every tone, every shadow, whispers a story of calm beginnings. White and wood, a timeless duet. Here, simplicity isn't empty, it's alive with quiet grace. The marble gleams under the hush of daylight, and the oak breathes warmth into every corner. Gray, the color of balance. It holds both silence and strength. In this kitchen, it wraps every surface with composure, turning routine into ritual, and movement into art. Earth tones the language of comfort. Terracotta and olive green meet like old friends, grounding the space in warmth. This kitchen doesn't just host meals, it shelters stories. Blue brings depth, the kind that feels like evening after the rain. With gold glimmers and white contrast, this kitchen becomes a scene of quiet sophistication, both bold and serene. In contrast lies clarity. Black and white, two extremes dancing in perfect symmetry. Every line, every reflection, finds its voice between light and shadow. Sage green brings serenity. It's the color of still mornings and open windows. The herbs on the sill, the marble's quiet gleam, all hum in gentle harmony with life's rhythm. There's a heartbeat in rustic warmth. The scent of wood and copper fills the air like memory. Here, time slows and the kitchen becomes a haven of stories told over soft laughter. Scandinavian light, clean, pure, and kind. The pale wood gleams beneath open windows, where simplicity becomes poetry, and light itself feels like an embrace. As the day fades, gold spills across the room. The kitchen glows like memory, soft, familiar, endless. Here, colors don't just decorate. They breathe.